Hello, this is Ricky with Service Guide. So for step 1, you want your ignition to be on. Then scroll using the buttons on the left side of the steering wheel until you see settings. Press OK to select. Now for the second part, you want to scroll down until you see maintenance. Press OK to select. Once you're in the maintenance menu, you want to select service. Press OK to select. So now for the third and final step, you're now in the service menu. You want to press OK. Once you pressed OK, it will ask you if you want to confirm your reset. Select yes and your service light has been reset. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.